Guys, the day we've all been waiting for is finally here. This is huge news, and you need to hear this right now. Google has finally unlocked the golden rule. You can now change your Gmail address. If you've been stuck with an embarrassing email name from your childhood or something totally unprofessional that you've had to keep for 10 years just to save your data, your suffering ends today. You can now change the name beforetheagmail.com to a brand new one, without losing any of your old data and without creating a new account. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and the important conditions you need to know. First, let's get one thing straight. In the past, we could only change our display name, but the actual email address was stuck forever. But with this new policy update in 2025, Google is letting us change the actual username itself. The best part about this system, when you switch to your new name, your old email address doesn't disappear. It automatically becomes an alias for you. This means if someone emails your old address, that message will still land right in your inbox just like before. You won't miss any contacts and you won't lose any work. You can switch with total peace of mind. You can do this on your phone or your computer. It's super simple. Just follow these steps. Step 1, go to your Google account page, select the Personal Info tab. Step 2, scroll down to Contact Info and click on Email. Step 3, tap on Google account email. If your account has received the update, you will see a pencil icon right next to your existing email name. Click that pencil, type in your desired new name, and follow the verification steps. And boom, you're done. Note: if you don't see the pencil icon yet, don't panic. Google is rolling this out in waves, so you might just need to wait a little bit. But wait, before you rush to change it, there are 2 or 3 strict rules you need to know. Rule number 1, limited quota. Google only allows you to change your username once a year, so think carefully before you save it. Rule number 2, the old name you swap out cannot be used to create a separate new account. It stays permanently linked to your original account as an alias. And finally, all your data, Google Drive, Photos in Google Photos, and even your YouTube channel stays exactly where it is. Nothing gets deleted. You're just changing the house number, not moving houses.